Hello everyone, this is Tactical Airsoft, and today we are playing Elite Ops Airsoft, and the game mode is Team Deathmatch. Now, I have a few new attachments on my gun. Most notably is probably the light. It's a lot brighter, and it's honestly a really nice light. Also got a mag pull foregrip and a few other things. Now, my gun was having a little bit of a trouble today with it was firing 2 shots, so the hop-up wasn't just right, but I got that fixed thanks to one of the techs at Elite Ops Airsoft. Other than that, I hope you all enjoy, and I'll see you all at the end.
Let's start bunkering up. Let's go to the right. We got him. Hey, who's on left? Who's on left?
I think everyone's on left. Oh, let's go right. Are y'all?
Wait. We need to have coverage on left because if we get rushed left, we're gonna die.
I'm going right.
All right. Hey, right's on this side. Right's on this side. Yeah.
We got about what? 4 guys over here.
5 on that. No, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, you got 4 left. Okay. All right. So you guys going that way? Let's go cut through this way. That's cool.
Oh, they had the new player briefing. That's one. Right?
Yeah, that's what it was. I was like, why are we waiting here, man?
7 of them.
All right, let's go. Oh, jeez. Far side, far front, far front. Come on now. Don't quit on me. Hey, we gotta move up. Let's go. Tower! Hit! Already? I didn't shoot that much. On that right side? What the heck?
Where are we at?
On that corner. I gotta push up. Hey, are they in that building over there?
I just want to
Hit! Wow. I think I used you as cover, man. That's so smart. All right, we gotta push up, guys.
Yeah, wait.
My gun's not shooting very well, so let's see how this goes. Hey, I'm on your 6. Right in the arm too. What happened to our left side, man?
We're gonna get right from back.
Hey.
Oh man.
What happened to our left side, man?
What?
What happened to our left? I don't know if I got him or not.
Yeah, we got hit in the first. We had one close.
Hey, cover me! Gotta reload! Oh, sorry. Man, you friendly fired me! Oh! I'm sorry. I thought you were an enemy.
Bro, you freaked your own team.
Yeah, you killed both of us, man.
Sorry.
That was impressive, but.
I love my new gun. I got shot right in the earlobe.
You serious?
Hey.
Oh. All right, hey, let's go right, let's go right. Let's go right, go right, go right. Hey, he's over top of me. Hit! Oh, okay.
I'm pushed all the way to this one.
All right, let's do it then. Let's
Follow
go.
me. Hey, follow me.
I'm on your 6. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come over top of you. Hey, you friendly? All right. You good? Got you.
Sean, go watch that guy.
Oh crap. He's right there. He's right there. Oh.
I can't put this.
Hey, right over here.
Alright, watch this side. Lay like this and watch this side.
Ah. Come on. Oh, on that right side. No, over here. I got you. Changing. He's to your right, to your right. Friendly. Oh. Going to the wrong spawn, man.
No, we're looking for a grenade.
What?
Looking for a grenade.
What? A grenade?
Yeah. Pineapple grenade.
You shoot me, man?
No.
Who shot me? Is it over? No. No, it's not over, guys. Let's get that right side. You guys good? Yeah. All right, let's go right side. Now it's over?
No, that was weird. 1 minute. Yeah, you have 1 minute.
It's game over? Ref! It's game over? All right, it's not. Let's go. Come on. We're good. Move up, move up. Hey, he's moving up. He's on that corner. He's on that corner. Did you get him? Yeah. All right, you got him? All right, let's go. Hey, come on, come on. Is it over? I got you right, man. You good? All right. Oh, sorry. Hey, where's he coming from?
You're hiding in the corner.
Seriously? All right, let's go. Is there a mid? Let's go. I got my light on, so just be careful.
Here you go, Chris.
Got it?
Right behind you.
All right. Hey, friendlies? Friendly. All right, we're good, we're good. Moving up left.
Cover your left.
Hey, on me. You got him?
Go down.
Hey, how's our left? How's our left?
Go down.
All right, let's move up. Go.
Oh, hit.
Hit. Going?
When you get ghosted?
What? Oh yeah, that's happened to me before. Hey, you guys good?
I need to unplug my freaking lenses.
Oh, okay. Hey, I'm on your 6, coming up middle. On your six, on your six.
Watch out, friendly. They're up ahead. They're coming.
Far left or far right? All right, I got your right. I got your right. Hey! Right in the face. Mitch pinned down, guys. We gotta go right.
Exactly what they're doing.
Hey, did you guys get ghosted or you got shot?
That's what I actually got. I've been sleeping the entire time.
Yeah, your own team, man. Hey, I'm over top of you. Okay. Hey, all right. Let's go. Back corner, back corner. Change. Good.
And so this is the end of the video. Thank you all for watching. For next week, I might switch it up and we can maybe do like a gear review of my chest piece or whatever type of gear you guys want to see, or maybe we'll just be some more airsoft footage. We'll just see how the week goes and how my schedule is. So, and that, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.